Hello, Excellence family. It's Danny Barnes, Director of Agent Relations with Excellence Realty. I'm here with Madeline King from Excellence Mortgage. How you doing, Madeline?
Doing great, Danny. Doing great this morning.
Happy Monday. Today, Madeline's going to talk about what was it again?
Non-traditional financing programs.
Non-traditional financing, a little above my head. So that's why we have the expert here. But once again, thanks for everybody joining today. I'll turn it over to Madeline at this time.
Awesome. Thank you, Danny. Yeah, so we have, obviously, we know how the market is very busy and very crazy right now. So that's a good thing for us where we're, closing loans and everybody's happy about that. But again, there are other ways of financing, and sometimes because the market is so saturated with people buying, and they may not think that they can qualify because they don't fit the traditional financing. And we've seen recently a bit of an uptick in the non-conforming products, which are the non-traditional financing programs. And they range anywhere from a bank statement program where you qualify just on the deposits in your bank statement that are averaged out over 12 or 24 months. We also have profit and loss programs for those that are self-employed that are just basically, going off of a profit and loss that is prepared either by the borrower or sometimes by their CPA. We also have the debt service credit ratio programs where for investment properties, they will qualify as long as the property rental in the area covers the mortgage financing plus taxes and insurance. So these products, especially the bank statement products, are all taking an uptick in what we've seen lately, where instead of fitting into the traditional programs, we have quite a bit of these, and the rates are competitive for this program. It's an opportunity for those who don't fall into the traditional W-2 or tax return program, especially with self-employed individuals that can take advantage of the market today and get into these programs, which are they're safe programs. They're just a little bit different for those, like I said, who may not be able to qualify using traditional methods. And we've seen a great increase in those. And so for any borrower that you may come across that, or buyer, I should say, that, is a self-employed and, doesn't, is not too sure about qualifying, we can absolutely help them with that because there are other options. So we wanted to make sure that we get that out there and know that there's programs for those who don't fit the traditional financing.
Right. A lot of information. I mean, I've been doing this for a long time, a little confusing to me, but the bottom line is call Excellence Mortgage. The other day I was watching a pretty cool video on mortgage brokers and had some good tidbits on, you're going to search a lot of different lenders to find the best program for our buyers, and you make it easier on us. And the other point that I saw was when they apply for a loan with us, it's just one time. If it's a specific lender, yeah, you might need some more information, but they're not going to have to apply every time to different lenders. And you guys make it really easy. So, if your buyer can't get approved with one firm or even, reach out to us first, make it easy for your buyers.
Absolutely, because we have, a variety of options for them, and all lenders, some overlay and they have the same products. Others are, a niche program where they say they do this really well, and we know exactly where we need to go based on the customer scenario. So, and we have all those options available to them. So that's the advantage.
Yeah. Anything else you might want to add for today?
I'm here for any questions, any scenarios, any, anything you may have a question on, or a particular loan scenario you may not be sure, or borrower. I'd be happy to help.
Yeah. And I talk about it all the time. There's lots of agents I talk to that they were working with a buyer and their lender couldn't get it done, and they called Excellence Mortgage and got it done. So
Get it done. Yep.
Reach out to Excellence Mortgage, Madeline, today. I hope everybody has a great week this week. So thanks, Madeline. I'll see you in 2 weeks.
My pleasure.
As always, together moving forward. Take care, everybody.
Bye-bye, everyone.